Can't hear anything in Discord when using it on your PC? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the no sound issue in Discord on your computer. So let's jump straight into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. Restart the Windows audio service. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on command prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu, and click on Yes to give permission. Now, in this window, type in netstop audio SRV and hit enter. After that, type in netstart audio SRV and press enter. Now, check if you can hear any sound in Discord. Solution 2. Set correct output device in Discord. To do this, open up Discord on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the lower left corner to bring up the settings. Next, switch to the voice and video tab. Now, just click here and choose which device you want to hear sound from in the drop-down menu. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Choose the proper audio device in Windows. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on System from the left side menu. Next, click on Sound from here. Now, from the output section, just pick the device you want to hear sound from and check if that fixed the issue. Solution 4. Update your audio driver. For this, search for Device Manager and open it. Then click on the little arrow icon next to Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Now, right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Now, it'll look for and install any new audio drivers if they're available. If there are no updates available, you'll see this message. After that, reboot your computer. Now check if the issue is gone. Solution 5. Uninstall corrupted audio driver. To do this, open up Device Manager again. Then click on the little arrow icon next to Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Now, right-click on the audio device and select Uninstall Device. Then click the Uninstall button and the device will be uninstalled. Now, reboot your computer. After your computer starts up, Windows will automatically download and install a new audio driver for your device. After that, the issue should be fixed. And that's how you deal with the no sound issue in Discord on your Windows computer. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you're still facing this issue, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. As always, thanks a bunch for watching.